Chasen. Thank you so much for joining me on this episode of Ask Emma. Today, we are exploring a cannabis myth. The myth is all cannabis causes anxiety. This is just blatantly not true. There is a compound, the most prevalent cannabinoid in cannabis called THC, that does deliver an anxious response when overdosed. However, there are many other compounds in cannabis's matrix that actually deliver an anti-anxiety response when consumed. One of these compounds is CBD, the second most prominent compound found in cannabis. It is a cannabinoid and it actually interacts with our serotonin receptors. So it helps us to feel a little less anxious and a little bit more calm and happy. There are also some terpenes in cannabis that help to calm down anxiety. One of these terpenes is limonene. Limonene is found in the rinds of our citrus fruits. So think when you bust open that citrus in the morning and you get a little euphoric lift. That is limonene doing its job. It also interacts with our serotonin and dopamine receptors, which is why it makes us feel happy. There is also another terpene called linalool, linalool being the primary constituent found in lavender. So think if you've ever smelled lavender, if you've ever gotten a massage with lavender oil, it makes you feel immediately calm. It's a little bit more relaxing than limonene, but it does deliver quite a de-stressing anti-anxiety response as well. There are many other constituents and compounds in cannabis that can help to deliver an anti-anxiety response. If you are somebody who struggles with anxiety and you're looking to use cannabis as a therapeutic agent for helping to manage with that, then start low and go slow. Microdosing is your friend. Look to something that is CBD dominant with maybe just a little bit of THC in there, and then look for those terpenes like limonene or linalool. And again, start with a very small dose. Give yourself about 10 minutes if you're smoking or inhaling. If you're eating an edible, you want to give it a little bit longer and monitor how you feel. You can always consume more later if you need. And that has been our myth-busting segment on all cannabis causes anxiety. Thank you so much for joining me. If you have a cannabis question that you would like me to answer, hit me up. Find me on Instagram at echasen and send me a message. The next time I may be answering your cannabis question.